If you rely on caffeine to function immediately after waking, your sleep system is broken. Waking up exhausted after 8 hours of sleep is not a sign of laziness, it is a biological failure of timing. This is sleep inertia. It occurs when your alarm interrupts a deep sleep phase, forcing your brain into a physiological cold boot. When you wake up mid-cycle, your brain is still flooded with adenosine. It can take up to 4 hours for your prefrontal cortex to clear this fog. The human brain does not sleep in hours, it sleeps in 90-minute cycles. One cycle consists of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. To wake up feeling alert, you must finish the cycle. This is why you often feel more refreshed after 6 hours, 4 cycles, than 8 hours, 5.3 cycles. At the 8-hour mark, you are trapped in the deepest part of a new cycle. You are fighting your own biology. To wake up effortlessly, you need to master the architecture of these 90-minute blocks. The snooze button is a biological lie. When you fall back asleep for 10 minutes, your brain initiates a brand new sleep cycle. When the alarm goes off again, the interruption is even more violent. This fragmentation creates sleep drunkenness that persists throughout the day. If you want to fix your energy, the first rule is simple. The first alarm is the only alarm. Step 1. The reverse calculation. Identify your fixed wake-up time. Count backward in 90-minute increments to find your sleep windows. If you must wake up at 7 a.m., your optimal windows to fall asleep are 11:30 p.m., 5 cycles, or 10 p.m., 6 cycles. Step 2. The 20-minute latency buffer. Sleep is not a toggle switch, it's a gradual descent. Humans take an average of 15 to 20 minutes to transition from wakefulness to unconsciousness. If your window is 11:30 p.m., you must be in bed with the lights off at 11:10 p.m. Step 3. Optical anchoring. Within 15 minutes of waking, you need 10,000 lux of light hitting your retinas. Step outside or stand by a window. This suppresses melatonin and triggers a cortisol spike. This light doesn't just wake you up now, it sets a biological timer that tells your brain exactly when to get tired 14 hours later. Do not drink caffeine immediately upon waking. Your body produces natural cortisol to wake you up. If you ingest caffeine during this peak, your body builds a tolerance and produces less cortisol. This leads to the inevitable afternoon crash. Wait 90 minutes after waking before your first cup. This allows your system to clear adenosine naturally, ensuring stable energy until evening. Quality of life is determined by the quality of your recovery. Stop counting hours and start timing cycles. Use the 90-minute math, respect the 20-minute buffer, and anchor your rhythm with morning light. Biology is a system of levers. Pull them correctly, and the output is predictable.